In this tutorial, we'll show you how to replicate archived files, migrate, or move them to a new archived device. The archived device should first be in place and configured. We discuss this in more detail in the tutorial shown here. If you wish to replicate an archived device, navigate to the configuration menu in the associated storage vault. Here, select Deactivate Storage Vault to modify configuration in order to save the changes permanently. In the Archive tier, you will need to add the archived device on which to replicate data from the existing archived device. Close the configuration menu by clicking OK. Now, in the Detail view under Archive tier, open Actions and click Archive Volume Migration. Three options are available here. Migrate all volumes, migrate all volumes of the selected job cycle, and migrate single volume. In most cases, as in this case, we'll select Migrate all volumes. The other options are used to migrate specific archive volumes, something we won't get into for now. Next, select the archive device to be replicated, then the target archive device to which you are migrating the data. Start the replication process by clicking Create Job. All archived volumes will now be replicated on the new device, and from now on, all newly archived data will be stored in sync on both archived devices. As well as replicating data, you can also migrate archived data from one archived device to another in order to replace an old archived device with a new one. This process works in basically the same way as replication, with just one extra step. After you run the job, you will need to remove the old archived device. To do this, go back into the Archive tier in the Configuration menu and remove the archived device. To check whether an archived device has been successfully replicated or migrated, select the target archived device under Archived Devices and click Show Volumes to see whether it now contains the other archived device's contents. Thanks to this tutorial, you can now properly replicate and migrate archived devices.